Hello my dear friends, how are you all? I hope you all are good and fantastic. So my dear friends, you are very welcome in our lecture number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. Okay, so my dear friends, I hope you will enjoy this lecture. So without wasting the time, let's start. Okay, so in this lecture today we are going to discuss only and only questions. Okay, so we are going to solve some examples, some important questions, okay, which they help in the exams. Okay, so my dear friends, without wasting the time, let's start. Yes, so today's first question is, we have to prove cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equals to twice of sec A. Okay, so now we have to prove LHS is equals to RHS. So first now we have to take LHS. Okay, so cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Okay, now let's take the LCM is 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, so this will become, here is cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay, so now if we solve it, we get cos square A, and if we expand this A plus B whole square, we get, this is similar like A plus B whole square, so we get 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A. Okay, and divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, my dear friends, now if we observe, here is cos square A and here is sin square A, and we know that cos square A plus sin square A is equals to 1. Okay, so it will become 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A. Okay, and we have, this is 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, my dear friends, now this will become 2 plus 2 sin A, and we have 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, my dear friends, so if we take 2 as a common, we get 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, and 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A has cancelled, and we have 2 upon cos A. So we know that 1 upon cos A is equals to sec A. So we can write here it as 2 sec A, which is equals to RHS. Hence proof. Okay, my dear friends, so I hope you get this point. So the next question is 1 plus sec A upon sec A, which is equals to sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. So now we have to prove. So let's take first of all LHS. So we have LHS is 1 plus sec A upon sec A. Okay, my dear friends, so now in this, first of all we have to convert it in the cos A. So we know that sec A is equals to what? 1 upon cos A. So now put the value of sec A in this equation. So we get 1 plus 1 upon cos A upon 1 upon cos A. Okay, so now when we use this expression, we get 1 plus 1 upon cos A multiply cos A upon 1. Okay, my dear friends. So it will become cos A plus 1 upon cos A multiply cos A. Okay, and this cos A and this cos A will be cancelled. So we get cos A plus 1. Okay, so now in this is equation 1. Now let's take the RHS part. So what is RHS? So we have sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. Notice sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. Okay, so now in this case we can write it as, we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1, and we can write it as also sin square A is equals to 1 minus cos square A. Okay, so now it will become 1 minus cos square A upon 1 minus cos A. Okay, so now if we see the numerator part, this is what? This is A square minus B square. Okay, so we can expand this formula. We get 1 plus cos A and 1 minus cos A, and in the denominator 1 minus cos A. Okay, so this 1 minus cos A and this 1 minus cos A will be cancelled. So we get 1 plus cos A, which is equals to LHS. Okay, so this is our second equation. So we can say that equation 1 and equation second are equal. So LHS is equals to RHS, hence proof. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you get this point. So now let's move on. Yes, so the next question is prove the following trigonometric identities. Okay, now we have to prove some expressions. So first is sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta, which is equals to cosec theta plus cot theta, which is equals to what? Cosec theta plus cot theta. So now first let's take the LHS part. Okay, so we have sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. So for solving this type of question, we have to think beyond the questions. Okay, so in this case we have to multiply 1 plus cos theta in numerator and also 1 plus cos theta in denominator. Okay, so my dear friends, this will become sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, and now this is a minus b and a plus b, so this is a square minus b square means cos square theta. So we have sin theta 1 plus cos theta divided by sin square theta. This will become what? Sin square theta. So from this 1 sin theta will be cancelled. So we get 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, so now this is 1 upon sin theta plus this is cos theta upon sin theta, and we know that 1 upon sin theta is what? Cosec theta, plus cos theta upon sin theta is what? Cot theta. Okay, which is equals to our RHS, and hence proof. Okay, so this is our result. So now let's move on to the next question. Yes, the next question is tan theta plus sin theta upon tan theta minus sin theta is equals to sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1. Okay, so now LHS part is tan theta plus sin theta upon tan theta minus sin theta. Okay, So now in this question, first of all, we have to convert all these terms, all these functions into sin theta, cos theta. Okay, so we know that tan theta is equals to what? Sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, so now we can put, this will become sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta divided by sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, now let's take the LCM. So this will become now first take the sin theta as a common. Now let's take sin theta as a common. So we get 1 upon cos theta plus 1, and this will become sin theta 1 upon cos theta minus 1. Okay, my dear friends. So now sin theta has been cancelled, and we know that 1 upon cos theta is what? Sec theta. So this will become sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1. Okay, which is equals to our RHS. Hence proof. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you understand this point. So now let's move on. Yes, so the next question is, we have tan theta minus cot theta, and we have to prove 2 sin square theta. This is sin square theta minus 1 upon sin theta cos theta. Okay, so now let's take the LHS. So we have what? Tan theta minus cot theta. So now firstly convert it into the cos and sin theta. So we get, this will become sin theta upon cos theta minus cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, and if we take the LCM, we get sin theta cos theta, and this will become sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, and we know that cos square theta is what? 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so this is sin square theta minus 1 minus sin square theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So this will become sin square theta minus 1 plus sin square theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So we have 2 sin square theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. So which is equals to RHS, and hence proof. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you understand these questions. Yes, so the next question is, again we have to prove sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta upon 1 plus cos theta is equals to sec theta cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay, so now again let's take LHS. Okay, so sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay, my dear friend, so now this tan theta we have to convert it into sin and cos. So we get sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, and we have, now let's take the LCM. So we get, if we take the LCM, so cos theta into 1 minus cos theta into, this is 1 plus, okay, into 1 plus cos theta, okay, and this will become cos theta sin theta and 1 plus cos theta, and here is plus, this cos theta will be cancelled and 1 minus cos theta is cancelled, so we get sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you get this point. So now let's move on. So this will become, the denominator is cos theta into, if you see that 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta means a minus b into a plus b, so 1 minus cos square theta, okay, and in the numerator is, the numerator will become cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta into cos theta, so this is cos square theta sin theta, okay, plus sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you understand this point. So now in this case, cos theta sin theta and this cos theta sin theta will be cancelled because their signs are opposite, and we get sin theta cos square theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Let's see, okay, this is 1 minus cos square theta, so we get sin square theta, so this is sin square theta. Okay, my dear friends, which is equals to what? Sin theta into cos square theta plus 1 divided by cos theta sin square theta. Okay, so now from this sin theta and this sin theta will be cancelled one time, and we have cos square theta plus 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. Okay, cos theta sin theta. Now we are going to separate this, so this will become cos square theta upon cos theta sin theta, okay, plus 1 upon cos theta sin theta. Now this cos theta will be cancelled by the cos theta one time, so we get cos theta upon sin theta plus, now 1 upon cos theta is what? Sec theta, and 1 upon sin theta is again cosec theta, so we have, and cos upon sin is cot theta plus sec theta into cosec theta, which is equals to what? Which is equals to RHS. Hence proof. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you understand these things. So now let's move to the another question. Yes, so the next question is, prove that 1 upon cosec A minus cot A minus 1 upon sin A, which is equals to 1 upon sin A minus 1 upon cosec A plus cot A. Okay, my dear friends, so now first we are going to take LHS. So 1 upon cosec A minus cot A minus 1 upon sin A. Okay, my dear friends, so now for solving this, we have to multiply cosec A minus cot A multiply by cosec A plus cot A divided by cosec A plus cot A. In numerator and denominator we have to multiply by this, minus 1 upon sin A, we can write it as cosec A. Okay, my dear friends, so now this will become, this is A minus B and A plus B, so we can write it as also cosec A plus cot A divided by cosec square A minus cot square A minus cosec A. Okay, so my dear friends, this is, now we know that cosec square A minus cot square A is 1, and this is cosec A plus cot A minus cosec A. This cosec A and this cosec A will be cancelled, so we get cot A. Okay, so now we have to take the LHS part, oh sorry, RHS part. Okay, okay, so RHS part is, we have 1 upon sin A minus 1 upon cosec A plus cot A. Okay, like this. Okay, my dear friends, now so the here is 1 upon cosec A plus cot A. Okay, now again, first of all, in this case we have to multiply with, let's see, 1 upon sin A minus, we have 1 upon cosec A plus cot A, and we have to multiply in this case with cosec A minus cot A divided by cosec A minus cot A. So this will become, this is cosec A minus cosec A minus cot A upon cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, my dear friend, so now again this will become 1, so we have cosec A minus cosec A plus cot A, and this will be cancelled, so we get cot A. Okay, so LHS is equals to RHS, and hence proof. So my dear friends, I hope you understand this point. So now let's move on. Yes, so the next question is sin square A upon cos square A plus cos square upon sin square A is equals to 1 upon sin square A cos square A minus 2. Okay, now we have to again prove these identities. So we have LHS is equals to sin square A upon cos square A plus cos square A upon sin square A. Okay, my dear friends, so now let's take the LCM. So we get sin square A cos square A, which is equals to what? Which is equals to, after taking the LCM we get sin raised to power 4A plus cos raised to power 4A. Okay, my dear friends, so now this will become, now we can write it as also sin square A whole square sin square A whole square plus cos square A whole square plus 2 sin square A cos square A and minus 2 sin square A cos square A. Why we are doing this? I will tell you. This is sin square A cos square A. Okay, so my dear friends, so this part we are adding and subtracting to make sin square A plus cos square A whole square. So we get sin square A plus cos square A whole square minus 2 sin square A cos square A. Okay, yes, so now it will become divided by sin square A cos square A. So now cos sin square A plus cos square A is 1, so it will give 1 minus 2 sin square A cos square A divided by sin square A cos square A. Okay, now we have to separate this, so 1 upon sin square a cos square a minus 2 sin square a cos square a divided by sin square a cos square a. Okay, so these term will be cancelled. So we have 1 upon sin square a cos square a minus 2, and this is equals to RHS. So we can write it as hence proof. We can write it as what? Hence proof. Okay, my dear friends, so this is our required result. So okay, my dear friends, I hope you understand these type of questions. So now let's move on. Yes, so the next question is, my dear friends, so my dear friends, these questions are very important related to the exams. Okay, so you have to be listen very carefully. Okay, my dear friends, so let's start. So this question states that we have to prove this again. So sin a minus sin b upon cos a plus cos b plus cos a minus cos b upon sin a plus sin b is equals to 0. So we have to prove this expression to this 0. So LHS is equals to what? We have sin a minus sin b divided by cos a plus cos b plus cos a minus cos b divided by sin a plus sin b. Okay, my dear friends, so now let's take the LCM. So we get cos a plus cos b into sin a plus sin b. Okay, my dear friends, so this will become sin a minus sin b multiply this cos a plus cos b is cancelled, so this is sin a plus sin b. Okay, and plus cos a minus cos b, and this will be cancelled, so we get cos a plus cos b. Okay, so now this is look like a minus b and a plus b, so we get sin square a minus sin square b. Okay, plus cos square a minus cos square b and divided by cos a plus cos b multiply sin a plus sin b. So this will become, if you see that this sin square a plus this cos square a will become positive, so we can rearrange this sin square a plus cos square a, and they are minus sin square a minus minus sin square b minus cos square b, so we can take minus as a common, so this will become sin square b plus cos square b, and we have in this cos a plus cos b multiply sin a plus sin b. Okay, now we have 1 minus 1 upon cos a plus cos b into sin a plus sin b. Okay, and this will negative, so we get 0, which is equals to RHS, and hence proof. So my dear friends, I hope you understand that how to deal with these type of questions. Okay, my dear friend, so now this is enough for today, and I hope you will enjoy this lecture. Okay, so now we will meet in the next lecture. Okay, so thank you very much guys for listening me, and take care and goodbye.